We're doing one-step equations with addition and subtraction. Make sure you have page 3. There are several pages similar to this. It should have a 3 at the bottom. Let's begin. In this lesson, we'll do the top 6 together, and then you'll do the bottom 4 on your own. The goal of algebra is to get the variable, or the letter, all by itself on one side of the equal sign, and the number all by itself on the other side of the equal sign. In order to do that, you do the opposite. Let's begin with number 1. We have -8 plus p equals 17. P is not by itself right now. It's got the -8 with it. They're both together on the right side of the equal sign. We need to get rid of the -8. To make it go away, we do the opposite. The opposite of -8 is +8. So to get p all by itself, we'll add 8 to that side. And because this is algebra, what you do to one side, you also do to the other. So we add 8 to both sides. Now we add up each side. -8 plus 8 gets rid of the 8. We're left with just p on that side, equals 17 plus 8. That makes 25. So your answer, the value of p is 25. Let's move on to number 3. 48 equals b plus 31. This time our b is on the right side of the equal sign. And once again, b is not by itself. It has a plus 31 with it. We've got to get the b by itself to solve this. The opposite of plus 31
Let's
is
subtract
minus
31 from both sides. On the right side, the 31 cancels out. On the left side, we now have 48 minus 31. That gives us 17 equals b. Or we'll write it the standard way of b equals 17.
Let's move down to number 5. 17 plus c equals 28. As usual, the c is not alone yet. We've got a 17 with it. We've got to get rid of the 17. In order to do so, we'll do the opposite. The opposite of 17 is -17. So, we'll subtract 17 from both sides. When we do, on the left side, 17 cancels out, and we're left with c equals 28 minus 17 is 11. Now, let's move on to number 2. 85 equals g minus 13. What's with g this time? A minus 13. To get rid of it, we'll do the opposite. The opposite of minus 13 is plus 13. Let's go ahead and add 13 to both sides. 13 cancels out on the right side. On the left side, we have 85 plus
13. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 98 equals G. Or G equals 98. On to number 4. 60 equals negative 20 plus h. To get rid of that negative 20, we'll add 20. We'll add it to both sides. On the right side, the 20 cancels out. On the left side, we have 60 plus 20. That gives us 80. 80 equals h, or h equals 80. On to number 6, our last one together. Negative 42 plus n equals 53. Let's get rid of that negative 42. The opposite of negative 42 is plus 42. We'll add 42 to both sides. Of course, the negative 42 cancels out, and we're left with just n equals 53 plus 42 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 95. And that's it. N equals 95. Now that we've done all those 6 together, you can do those last 4 on your own. Just do the same things that we did, and if you're not sure, go back and look and see what we did on the top. Go have at it.